Thinking about buying a used car? A pre-owned vehicle can be a fantastic value, but if you don't know what to look for, you might end up with a lot more trouble than you planned. In this video, I'll walk you through essential steps to make sure your next used car is a reliable one. 10 things to check before buying a used car. Don't get scammed, be informed. First, examine the car's exterior. Check for signs of rust, dents, or scratches. Rust can spread and cause bigger issues, so look under the doors, around wheel wells, and along panel edges. Check the tires too. Uneven tire wear might mean alignment or suspension issues, and make sure all lights including headlights, taillights, and indicators are functioning properly. Next, let's look under the hood. The engine bay can reveal how well the car has been maintained. Check for leaks around the engine, transmission, and radiator, as well as worn belts and hoses. Oil and coolant leaks, as well as cracked or stiff belts, can be red flags and may mean costly repairs soon. While you're under the hood, check the fluids. Look at engine oil, transmission fluid, brake fluid, power steering fluid, and coolant. These can all give you insight into the car's condition. Let's take a look at the interior. Check for signs of wear on seats, the steering wheel, and pedals. Heavy wear on a low-mileage car could suggest poor maintenance. Be sure all electronics work, like lights, sound system, windows, locks, and air conditioning. Always check the mileage on a used car. Generally, cars with fewer miles have experienced less wear. But remember, a high-mileage car that's well-maintained may still be more reliable than a neglected low-mileage car. Brakes are essential for safety, so inspect the brake pads and rotors. Thin pads or grooved rotors might mean immediate replacements, which can get pricey. Give the car a quick suspension test. Push down on each corner. The car should bounce back once, not multiple times. If it keeps bouncing, the shocks or struts might be worn out. Test drive. Always go for a test drive. Listen for unusual sounds from the engine, suspension, or brakes. Check alignment too. Does the car pull to one side? Check for warning lights. When you start the car, watch the dashboard lights. Any warning lights that stay on might mean serious issues. Pay attention to the check engine, ABS, and airbag lights. Vehicle history report. Finally, get a vehicle history report. This report will show any accidents, title issues, or previous ownership details. Spending a little on this report can help you avoid much bigger expenses. So there you have it. 10 essential checks to make before buying a used car. A little time spent inspecting now can save you thousands in the future. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with anyone looking to buy a car. Thanks for watching and good luck with your car hunt.